lost our guy on this side. Okay. Do you see anything? Okay. I'm gonna bump up in front of you. Okay, cover me, I'm gonna bump up. Cover me from there, I'm moving up to the next one.
Where is he?
In the trees, behind that building ahead. Oh, he's also on the corner. Shoot. Reloading. Was it the corner guy? Ah, shoot. Can't get my dumb mag in. You're gonna have to work on faster reloads. Okay, I'm gonna bump up. Corner's clear. Corner's clear. Never mind. Okay. Okay, we're gonna move further down, then over, then cut in behind, okay? You guys out? Okay. They're all out. Those guys are out. Okay, we're gonna go over now. Okay, let me know when you're ready. He's on ours, right?
Yeah. Those two are.
Yeah.
Are we gonna wait for them to catch up?
Yeah. We'll wait for them to catch up. Okay, this whole area is clear. Those three guys up there, they're out. So Ray can go over the berm anytime and slip behind.
Do you wanna hit it concentrated, or do we wanna fan out?
Whichever way you want to. If we could go 2 and 2, one further up here and the other down.
One of you guys go with me, one of you guys, we got calm with each other.
Okay.
So let's split up. 2 of us go right and 2 go left, and we'll keep in communication.
Okay.
You want the right side or left side?
All right.
We'll go.
Yeah, you go with him, okay?
Ready? Go. You guys got guys on your back there always.
So those are our guys.